Everybody, you know who it. Hey, what's going on? What's going on? Everybody, you know who it is. It's Unbox Everything, and today we're going to be taking a look at my brand new sit-stand desk. Let's just jump right in. So, before we begin this video and taking a look at the desk, just kind of quick rundown as to why I got a sit-stand desk and really why not. We're all working from home a lot more now, and I'm finally in a space, in a room where I am able to have a nicer desk setup, and I know that I'm going to be working from home a lot more, so why not, really? As well as the health benefits, I suppose, from a sit-stand desk where you're not sitting all day long, you're able to stand and kind of move around if you want a little bit. It just looks really, really good. So that's really why I got it. So this is a desk made by a UK-based company called ErgoDesks, and this particular model is actually their base model, so it's their cheapest model that they offer. It's called the Liberty Desk. There is a Pro version which has a few more features, but I felt like I didn't really need, so I tried to search all over the internet for more reviews of this company or this desk specifically, but there are none. Apart from the one YouTuber that I found, and actually where I found this company from was by a YouTuber called Pete Matheson, and he actually owns the Pro model, which again was a bit out of my price range. So I went with the base one, and this desk in particular set me back, I think it was around £500. Be wary on the website, the prices they give you are before VAT, and then they add VAT afterwards on checkout, so just be wary of that. But they have on the website some nice finishes. I have the walnut top with the black frame, so the black legs, and I think it works really well. It's really sexy. So what does this desk actually feature, or sort of what are the sit-stand capabilities? So the lowest it will go is 72 centimeters, and the highest it will go is 120 centimeters. So it's a pretty good varied height. It comes with 4 memory options. So they come with some buttons, and you have a little LCD display which will tell you what height it's on. Another thing to mention is that it moves at 3 centimeters. This is based on the website, 3 centimeters per second. So from my sort of sitting position to my optimal standing position, it will take maybe about 5 to 7 seconds. Is that right? 5 to 7? No, maybe that maths is wrong. But it doesn't take too long. It takes a couple of seconds, obviously, like maybe about 15 seconds to go from all the way up to all the way down, or vice versa. So this desk actually supports a weight of 80 kilos. That's another feature I forgot to mention, compared to the Pro model, which I think can support up to 120 kilos. But to be honest, why would I put 80 kilos on top of my desk? But yes, this desk does support 80 kilos, and for me that's more than enough. I have my speakers, you guys can see right behind me. I've got my monitor on here, got a monitor stand, and just some small bits and bobs as well. But again, nowhere near 80 kilos, and this thing can go up and down all day if it needs to. How is the assembly? Well, it's fairly straightforward. It's got instructions, but the only thing I would say is the tabletop doesn't actually come pre-drilled with holes. So you're gonna have to kind of carefully align the frame when you're assembling it, once it's all assembled, to the tabletop. You kind of have to flip it upside down, put your tabletop on the floor, then you have to put your frame upside down on it, align the holes. You can kind of eyeball it. You don't have to measure specifically, but obviously just make sure that it is straight, because once you obviously screw it down, that's it. That's how it's going to be. But other than that, you just need like some basic tools. I mean, if you have a drill, it definitely helps. Just be very careful not to drill through the desk, because that can happen. And then you just need a screwdriver to just screw everything. And they do provide you some Allen keys as well, which is great. Yeah, it takes about 40 minutes to assemble it all together. It's fairly straightforward, and yeah, just works. So my general thoughts on this desk. Well, it's great. It does what it says, and I don't really have anything else to say other than it just worked, and I love it and I use it all the time. In fact, I feel like I probably now stand a lot more than I am sitting during the day and when I'm working. So for me, that's great. I don't feel as glued to my desk in a weird way as much as I did feel when I was sitting down. Don't get me wrong, I do still sit down after a couple of hours of standing, you know, because everyone gets tired, but I do generally just keep it like this, and I don't really move it up and down too much anyway. There is a little bit of wobble, I think. I haven't really tested this out at the standing height. So it's on 100 centimeters now. I can quickly just kind of give you an idea of the wobble and yeah, how that fares. I mean, it doesn't really bother me. I'm not going to be doing that all day long anyway. Like, you know, under normal use, when you're just normal, like, you know, using your mouse, using your keyboard, it's fine. By the way, the frame is quite heavy. Like, it's really, really heavy, and it's really like just made of this hard stuff, basically. Yeah, that's as best as I could describe it. It would take quite a lot to damage something like this. Not that you'd want to damage it, but you know, obviously wear and tear happens. So I think this thing is built to last. And lastly, I am not sponsored to do this video. I just thought it would be very helpful for everybody if you're interested in purchasing this desk, or you know, you want to find out a little bit more. I just wanted to make a video and I wanted to let you guys know. So here it is. So if you are looking to purchase your first sit-stand desk at a fairly reasonable price, then look no further. I would highly recommend ErgoDesks. Again, I'm not sponsored to say this. This is just my own personal thoughts and opinions about this product, and I am very happy. So yeah, take a look. I wish I had a code. I don't have a code, discount code, so, but I'm pretty sure you can find some online. And that's it really. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Look forward to my cable management video afterwards. Let me know if you're interested in purchasing a sit-stand desk, whether you were thinking of going with this company, whether you were going with another company, or you know, or whatever. Let me know in the comments below. Always appreciate any feedback as well. So yeah, leave a like, comment and subscribe if you can. It will help me massively, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So take care, stay safe, peace.